Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I hope all of you are doing great. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Panji Fatkhan Qarib, but you just can call me Panji. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about vowel pronunciation, especially with a vowel sound. But before we learn how to pronounce the sound, we need to understand first what exactly are vowels. Vowels are a speech sound produced by human when the breath flows through the mouth without being blocked by the teeth, tongue, or lips. The vowels in alphabet are A, E, Y, O, U, and even sometimes Y. All other letters inside the English alphabet are consonant, which constitute speech sound where air is blocked in some way earlier than leaving the mouth. Okay, next, vowels can be divided into two main categories. The first one is monophthong. Monophthong are vowel sounds pronounced as a single, unchanging sound without any significant change in quality or length, like E in bed. Okay, and the second one is diphthong. Diphthong are a sound made by combining two vowels, specifically when it starts as one vowel sound and goes to another, like O in down. The vowel is a mid-central sound. This means it is made with the tongue mostly relaxed and at the center of the mouth. Your tongue should be at mid-height in the mouth, and your lips should be partially open. Vibrate your vocal cord and push air from your mouth. Then let's practice to pronounce it together, and you can repeat after me. Here are a few example words that use the sound. Here are a few example words with the sound. The first one is dust, the second one is rust, the third one is gum, the fourth one is mug, and the last one is fun. And now repeat after me. Dust, rust, gum, mug, fun. And now let's try to put this word into sentence to practice. The first one is small rain lays great dust. Say it together with me. Small rain lays great dust. And the second one is there is no need to rush. Say it together with me. There is no need to rush. And the third one is the shop sells fake gum. Say it together with me. The shop sells fake gum. Keep in mind that consistent practice is the key. Pay attention to the nuances of how words are not pronounced and try to incorporate these techniques into your everyday speaking. Try to improve your pronunciation by speaking to other people, or you can use English website or apps. With dedication and perseverance, you will see your progress slowly increase over time. I think that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching my video and see you in the next video.